one graphic novel review at a time. Doughnuts and Doom by Balazs Lorinczi.
In a world much like our own that just happens to have witches, one such witch is having a terrible day. She goes to a donut shop where a rock musician who slings donuts by day tries to sell her a couple. Unfortunately, they miscommunicate, drive each other crazy, and because the witch is at her wit's end, she winds up having a big explosion, leaving some of her magic behind in a donut that the rock musician eats that later on causes some pretty negative ramifications. This links the two women who wind up falling in love. I'm a sucker for black, white, and one other color, and the blue was great, and the occasional pink was perfect.